Hello, this is Jan Taylor from tattooguide.me. I just thought I would do a quick introduction about who I am. I'm just sitting here, I'll show you here. I just started working on my portfolio, and this is a tattoo I'm working on. I would want to use to cover the tattoo on my arm, but it will probably be hard to use that design, but I just needed to get started on practicing tattoos. So if I can't cover my own tattoo with this, it's just something to get started with, so I can draw again. I haven't been drawing for many years. I have spent my time doing paintings and other stuff instead. I have a few paintings hanging here on the wall, and this one down there. But anyways, there is a folder in the photo section of my website where all my paintings are posted, along with all the drawings I made in '95, 14 years ago, when I was in Australia. So I have just started drawing again, and as you can see, I have this phoenix I'm working on, and I have put a lion on top here. Both the phoenix and the lion are some tattoos I found in Google Pictures, and I've then made drawings of them from looking at the pictures, and put the two of them together. And I'm experimenting with different stuff, and I will on this one I'm just gonna do red lines, which is pretty hard with this what you call it, pen or pencil or whatever. You can see my selection of colors here. Not so big yet, but I had to start somewhere. I also bought this little nice pink set yesterday, so I can do some circles and some straight lines. Also have some artistic colors over here that I can use for different stuff. And then of course in my other workroom I have all my painting gears that I can also use to experiment with. I have regular colors and oil colors and a lot of that stuff. And yesterday I bought my printer, so I can copy and print and scan and whatever that I need to. So like it's very useful for like when with the sketch I'm working on here, so I can, after I've done it once and made it black, I can do different stuff with it without having to go over it all the time. Although the color, I'm still trying to figure out how it works properly, because the colors look weird sometimes when I print it. But anyways, so I'm very excited about my project to becoming a tattoo artist. I know it will be a long journey, and the most important thing for me right now is to build a portfolio so I can try and get a apprenticeship somewhere. Maybe overseas. I haven't started looking yet, because I don't really have a lot of new drawings, so that's what I'll be spending the next month on. And I've just posted in a thread at Tattoo Now to see what I should include in my portfolio. So anyways, that was just a quick introduction. I'm planning on doing some more of these video diaries to follow my process, and I'm also writing in my blog at tattooguide.me. Yeah, it's a new website I'm working on to like where I can document my journey and process, and post my pictures and write down my thoughts and every step that it takes for me to get where I want to go. So anyways, that was this for me. I hope you will watch some more of these videos and you'll find it either learning or just fun or whatever. But see you later.